Dave Porter with Vouch Video. I'm here with Harry and George from GT Automotive Center and GT Radiator Repair. You guys have been recognized throughout the entire region as being one of the most trusted automotive and radiator repair centers in the business. Your dad started the business a long time ago. You've been in it your whole life, right? And you've built your business on what? What makes this place special?
Working on everything like it's your own personal vehicle or your own personal truck or heavy equipment. We were brought up in a trucking and heavy equipment industry. That just transfers to people's cars. You know, we work on everything from soccer moms to supercars. What everybody enjoys about doing business with us is we literally treat every car like their family members. And you know, that's just the way we run our business and run our lives, and it works.
George, you're tackling all types of projects on these cars, from typical auto inspections to what?
We do anything from simple oil changes to diagnostics of emission problems. Why is that check engine light is on? We like to explain to the customer what caused the light to come on, what has to be diagnosed to determine what the repair is, and then what that repair is and why it needed to be done. Tires, everybody thinks tires are just something the car rolls down the road, but your tire is part of the car's suspension today. So you have to have the right tires on your car for it to perform the way you expect it to perform, the way it was designed.
With tires themselves, in the industry, there's a lot of people promoting, great prices on tires, and it's going unsaid what kind of tire they're actually getting.
Every tire that's built has an oval stamp on it that has the year and the week of that year that the tire was built. So you may be buying 4 new tires, but if you don't look at the build date on the tires, you could be buying 4 new 4 or 5 year old tires. Tires that we sell here, we look at the build date before we even accept the tire, and so that we know we're getting a tire that's been built within the past 12 months to put on your car.
I know GT has been founded on those principles of providing the right parts, not cutting corners, and I think that goes a long way when you come into a quality shop like this. Those values are real important. They were passed from your dad on to you guys, right? You learned the right way.
The right way is the only way to do it. You can cut corners, but at the end of the day, can you go home and sleep at night knowing that you put something that wasn't of quality on a customer's car? You didn't do a repair that was the proper repair for that car, that customer could feel safe in that car.
Harry, I see an Austin Healey behind you, and I see a Prius. I see all types of cars. I mean, you did mention that. These are some really specialty cars that you're putting your hands on. You have to know what you're doing.
We grew up in a family of trucking and race cars. We work on everything from old Model Ts to new Priuses, any type of car. And we solve people's problems. Not only do we do normal scheduled maintenance, we're a big believer in scheduled maintenance, tires rotation, looking at belts and hoses and brakes. People's safety is number one around here with this business. There is no car that we've ever had in that we could not repair and solve a problem. We build street rods. We build them from the ground up. We've built race cars and been very successful in racing, both driving and cars that we built. It's just a passion for anything that's motorized. You'll see scooters in here we repair for our customers that they've taken them other places. Motorcycles, they can't get them repaired. Hey Harry, can your guys look at this for us? And the answer is yes, we can solve the problem.
If you need a trusted pro, call Harry, call George. I appreciate it, and I look forward to promoting your services. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks,
Appreciate
guys.
it.